Hello! This is a story about a girl named Lily and her dog Max. Lily is 8 years old. She lives on a small farm. Max is a big brown dog. Max is not just a pet. Max has a very important job. Max is the postman dog. Every morning, Lily and Max wake up early. Lily makes tea. Max eats his food fast. Then Max runs to the long road near the big green tree. He waits there. He waits for Mr. John. Mr. John is the man who drives the white truck. Mr. John brings the letters. When Mr. John stops his truck, he smiles at Max. Mr. John gives Max the letters. Max takes the letters gently in his mouth. Max is a good dog. He knows the letters are important. Then Max runs back to Lily's house. Lily claps her hands when she sees Max. Max drops the letters on the kitchen table. This is their routine. It is a good routine. One day, the routine is different. This day is very important. It is Lily's grandmother's birthday tomorrow. A special present is coming in the mail. The present is in a small red box. The red box is very important. Max runs to the road. Mr. John stops the white truck. Mr. John has the letters and the red box. "Be careful, Max," Mr. John says. "This is important mail." Max takes the letters and the red box in his mouth. The box is small, but it is heavy. Max starts to run home. Max runs fast, past the big green tree. Max is happy. He has important mail. But then, Max sees a small black squirrel. The squirrel runs fast up the tree. Max likes to play with squirrels. Max stops running. He puts the letters and the red box down near the tree root. Max barks at the squirrel. The squirrel barks back. Max forgets the mail for a minute. He thinks only about the squirrel. After a short time, the squirrel is gone. Max remembers his job. He quickly picks up the mail. He runs to the house. Lily is waiting at the door. "Max, my good boy, where is the red box?" Max wags his tail. He drops the white letters on the table, but Lily sees no red box. "Where is it, Max?" Lily asks again. She is worried. "The red box is for Grandma. It is a special gift." Max looks at the white letters. He looks at Lily. He looks sad. He knows the red box is gone. "We must go look," Lily says. Lily and Max run back to the big green tree. They look under the leaves. They look near the big rocks. Max sniffs the ground. He smells the road. He smells the squirrel. "Max, show me," Lily says. Max runs to the root of the tree. He starts to dig fast. He digs and digs with his paws. Lily watches him. Suddenly, Max stops digging. Lily sees something red in the hole. "Max, you found it! You found the red box!" Lily shouts. Max is happy now. He pulls the box out of the ground. It is dirty, but it is safe. Max did not lose the mail. He just hid it when the squirrel came. Lily cleans the red box. It is perfect. "Thank you, Max. You were the best postman dog. You saved Grandma's present." Max wags his tail very fast. Lily gives Max a big, warm hug. They walk back to the house. The routine is good again. The red box is safe. The party will be good tomorrow. Thank you for reading the story of Max, the postman dog.